Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Tutorial video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that how can you unhide apps from your iPhone after iOS 18 update. So simply guys, let's check guys if you have hide apps on your iPhone. So if you want to unhide them, so how can you do it? So let's check guys. First of all, you may check I am hiding Instagram, and you may click here, and you may check click here on hide apps, and now you may check Instagram is not showing. Even you search here and you may check Instagram is not showing here. Now guys, what you have to do, you have simply go back and you may just open app library. So you may check app library is showing here, and then you may scroll it down, and here you may check guys, here is the option of hidden. So you may click here, and you may put your face ID and all hidden apps will be show here. So click and hold and click on don't require face ID, and you may check guys. So you may unhide apps from here. So now you may check that you may write here Instagram, and this will be show here. So by all these methods guys, you can hide and unhide apps easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.